Sometimes when you're off grid, you got to make your own tools. I had one of these, 1 1/16 socket, so I just marked it and cut it so I can get my clutch off of my chainsaw, so I can change the bearing and the barrel. See, it's got a big old groove in it. So you stick the rope in there with knots. That's what I did because I didn't have a thick enough rope. So it's just paracord. You know, it's kind of like zip ties. You always got to have it laying around when you're off grid. So many uses. So yeah, I'm going to get this clutch off here in about a second. Alright, so let's see if I can do this one-handed. Put that on the side. Put this freshly made tool. Maybe like this. So it's reverse thread, so I have it on tighten, so it should loosen. Let's see if I mess my chainsaw up. Oh. Nope. Well, I'm gonna have to do it two-handed. I need two hands to do this. Success! You have to use two hands. So now, that was it. No, uh-oh. Whew. Talk about shenanigans. Got that off. That was the problem. So that's the old one. Here's the new one. That's what it's supposed to look like. I have my finger holding the bearing in. But yeah. Okay, don't ever let that fall apart on you like I did. It was a pain in the butt to get on. Get back together. I got it though, with some finessing. Alright, I zapped it back on, cleaned it up, and now I pulled the cord out. And I just gotta put the spark plug in. Done. Voila, it'll run. Yeah, so that's all there is to it. Changing out